Listen, I'm going to need you to trust me.
Isn't this exciting, Poppy? Very exciting, Mommy. Mommy heard that Miss Poppy was going to just give you the train code to skip. Now, how is that fun? Instead, why don't we make a game out of it? The game station is still working. It will be just like old times. And if you win all 3 games, I'll give you the train code. Mommy loves that idea, Poppy. Oh, you're going to have so much fun. Head to musical memory, and Mommy will get things started. Obey the rules, or I'll tear you apart and eat your insides while you're still alive. Oh, isn't it amazing? Mommy hasn't seen the place up and running in years. Mommy can only imagine how excited BbyZone must be. It's been such a long time since he's been able to play, to cheer, to eat. Oh, it broke. That's no fun. For doing such a splendid job, Mommy has decided to give you part of the code for the train. Look up. Take it. Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer. It's okay, though. Mommy knows other ways to play with you. The toys in this game used to have strings attached to them, so they could be pulled back when they got too close to the children. Have fun. Oh, you did it. Hooray! Mommy is so proud of you. Here, Mommy has another hint for you. Only one game left to play. Sad. Mommy was hoping you'd stay here forever. Though, it's never too late to change your mind.
I asked you to play fair, and you cheated! I hate cheaters! Now, we're going to play one last game! It's called Hide and